Morning. Tuesday morning. We're getting hit with a bit of snow. Well, you can't see it now, but it's like sand dunes, the way it's drifting in and that. Yeah, a little bit of snow here. Oh, forgot my keys. Today's project. Yeah, clearing snow. That should be fun. Okay. Unlock the door. It wasn't locked. All that work for nothing. Okay. Illuminate. What we have here, believe it or not, is an early 80s Chinese tractor. A Jinma. Oh yeah, belt stone's going nice. Showed up here last night with a broken piece. The piece that drives the impeller smashed off. So my plan is to cut this off, clean it up, find a chunk of round bar and drill a hole through it about a 1 inch long, and then weld it lengthwise in here. That should take care of the braking issue. It was due to using a bolt that was too long, and it wallered it out. That was the bolts they were using right there. They're way too long. No fault to the operator though. They didn't know any better. Got to give them credit for wanting to drive this thing outside. And this here, down in there, right there, the shift lever broke off for the PTO. So I'm going to get on that too. I think I got a quick fix plan for that as well. Stab a bolt in the hole and then weld the lever to the head of the bolt. That'll get us fixed. I'll show you my repair when I'm done. In the meantime, enjoy your day. For those of you far south in warmer weather, that's pretty easy. For me, it's work. Once I get it running though, payment will be clearing my driveway. One of those au gratis type jobs, just do it for nothing to get it done. You know, get people fixed. That's how you look after your friends. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you later. A brief intermission, stop and take a break, and there's the piece. A little bit of cleanup to do, but it's actually quite nice. That will fix that. I'm not even going to bother painting it because it'll just blow off anyway because it's going out in a few minutes. Oh, look. Bended. I'm going to fix that too. See what else there is going on. And yeah, check the fluids, grease it, whatever's necessary. And we'll put her back in service. Again, it's not always a good time, but here at Frank's Garage, we fix what we fix, and that's that. If it's broken, most people bring it to me anyway. Again, have a great day, and snow is letting up a little.